Hello guys. So on this video we're going to talk about the Internet Download Manager, that is IDM, which is almost used to download all the video that is from the different browser, different website. So guys, without delay, let's get started with the video. So let's go to the browser, that is this browser. We're just working on this browser. Now I'm then gonna put the link where link of the website from where we're gonna download the IDM, Internet Download Manager, and I'll that include the link of that on my description as well. You can go through that. From there you can download. All right. So before download, the size of the file is 7.59 and it's on the RAR format. All right. So we're gonna download this file. Okay, no need this one. So our file is been downloading. This is the file. This is the file downloading. All right, our file is almost download. Okay, now let's open the file. So folder. Now this is the file where our internet download manager WINRR GIF archive is got this file. We're gonna paste it over here. All right. So guys, after we download the RAR file of Internet Download Manager, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the window security. Window security. This is just this Windows. We're just going to the window security just to disable window security till when we install this file on our desktop or PC, because when you download these kind of file on our desktop or PC, our computer security just detect it as a spam file or a virus or malware that can affect the computer. But it's okay, this is not gonna help. It is only the computer security process. Okay, just go to the virus and protection first, Windows security, virus and protection, and then manage setting. Okay, manage setting. Here is the real protection. Here's the real protection. Just disable it for a while. Okay, just disable for a while off. Okay, and then let's go back. Let's go. Now we're gonna extract this file. Just double click on this. Yes. Okay, it's open. Now we're gonna extract from it. Extract to. Okay, now we're gonna extract this file on our desktop so that it will be easy to find out, so that we can install over from here. All right. So okay, and password. Look guys, the password, this zip file, who has this put this file in one WRR format, they have put a password of 123. So we're gonna keep the same password, that 123. We're not gonna do anything, uh, any other password. Okay, we're just gonna put 123 as a password. Okay, and okay. So the file is being extracting. Okay, and let's go back, minimize this, and okay, this is the extracted file. Okay, now this is the file we're gonna install. Okay, double click on this. Okay, next I accept the term and agreement, license agreement, accept that, followed by the create an icon of IDM. Okay, next, finish. Okay, now you'll find these kind of interface. Okay, if you want to go through, you can go once, because these are the how to add the extension file on your browser. I don't want, I'll teach you later on. Tab. Okay, now okay, on this we're not gonna do anything with this. Okay, now we're gonna pass the file. Okay, this is no use. Okay, from here we install. Okay, now we're gonna open this. Open. Now we're going to open this patch file. Open. Now we're going to copy this patch file. All right, so let's get back, minimize this, and okay, this is the file. Let's go to the file location, open the location. Okay, now we are gonna copy this file here, paste the file over here, continue. So guys, our patch file is already based on the original. We have just copied this file from patch version to the original file. Now we're going to extract from here, run as an administration. Okay, okay, now internet download manager 6.3x crack, this is the crack version. Okay, so we don't want to do anything. Okay, just disable the file here. Okay, IDM update checker, no, we don't want any update. We are gonna disable it. Okay, and then we are gonna crack it. Okay, IDM passed. It's all is passed to the our lifetime version. So let's finish it. Okay, let's finish it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna minimize this file, and then we're gonna go browser. Let's pass that extension IDM manager to our extension. So it's, if it is already added as an extension, you don't need to do anything. But if not, just go to the setting. After setting an extension, just go to the extension, and so we are gonna enable this. Okay, it's enabled. Now you will find an interface of in a browser that your internet download manager extension of the Google Chrome has already installed. Close it, close it. Let's close this one also. Now we're gonna go to YouTube. After entering inside the YouTube interface, I'm gonna select one random video. Okay, so alright, let me select one random video from here. Okay, and let me just select this one. So guys, this is the video which I'm gonna download. Let me check what is the resolution and all those. So let me make it full 720 pixel. All right, after that, on the upper side of left hand, small download button of the internet download manager. All right, so just click on that one, just click on that one, and it will definitely deduct the file which you want to download, that is on the highest resolution, highest quality. Okay, start download. Meanwhile guys, while the video is downloading, okay, here's the file. It's download, it's only downloaded. Okay, let me go to this file, download video. So guys, this is the file which this is the video which we download as a random video from the YouTube. So let me tell you something about this VLC. If the version of VLC is below 3.0, so it won't work on that, because we are working on this we are just playing the video with the property, with the format of the, it's m.mkv. So the version of the VLC below 3.0 won't work on that. So make sure that the version should be above 3. Okay, the version of the VLC should be above 3. Okay, now I'm gonna click on this video. This is the video. Okay, and you can just uh, go to the YouTube, another video you can download from there. Okay, so guys, this is all about the internet download manager, how to use it, how to download it, install it, and patch it for the lifetime. All right, so if you do like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe.